back to my channel, and yes, it is time for another HelloFresh unboxing. My husband already unboxed it because I was out of town and I didn't want to leave the food out in the box until I got home. So as you guys saw, I have posted a video of the 3 meals that I made, and that on my last unboxing of the 3 meals that I made, and like what you guys can expect, and if something goes wrong, I would definitely do it. If you guys really want to try new foods, go for it. I tried asparagus for the first time. If you guys saw my past HelloFresh video, I was so scared to try asparagus, and I'm just like, I don't know what I'm in for, and I'm just like, But it actually wasn't bad. I had a couple pieces. I wouldn't say it's like on my top likes, but you know, that's kind of cool. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got in my HelloFresh box, just so you guys can see it. Now, HelloFresh, it's a $60 box that you guys can get 3 meals. Okay, to give you guys my honest opinion, I think $60 is kind of ridiculous for 3 meals. Yes, you guys are paying for the convenience of them doing all the shopping for you, and they mail it to you. Yeah, that's awesome. Benjamin, be quiet. But the thing is, if you guys click my referral link, and I have it below, you guys will end up getting a $40 off your first box. So that comes out to be $19 and I think 94 cents for 3 meals. There's usually about 10 or 12 different meals that you guys can choose from. Now, if you don't like the meals from that week, you guys can skip that week and choose a different week. And then if you guys want to just try it once, go for it and cancel it. I say worth it, try it. So far with these boxes, I've tried couscous for the very first time. I've tried asparagus for the very first time. I tried, I can't even tell you what else I've tried. I've tried 4 different things that I would never tried ever in my life because I'm such a picky eater, and these boxes have made me not be the pickiest eater. So the thing is, like, my husband and I try to figure out meals that we can have together, and we compromise because I'm still a very picky eater, but I'm willing to try different things. You know, so I'm very excited. And for $19.94 a box, or $19.90, somewhere between $19.99 and $19.94, definitely you guys need to join this and just try it one time. And one thing that I absolutely love about HelloFresh is they give you guys, now like I said, we already pulled these, they give you guys these little these cards. Now they give you of like what the pictures look like. So this is the pork carnitas tacos. Now this looks actually really good, and this is what we're gonna have for dinner tonight. But they give you like everything of how to cook it in all 6 steps. This takes 10 minutes to prep, 30 minutes to cook, and it's only 760 calories. This feeds a family of, or just 2 people, but sometimes I've noticed that they give you more portions. So if you guys have 3 people, and like my son doesn't eat anything, so that's what I think I like. And then what I end up doing is I keep all these cards that we've been getting from HelloFresh, and I'm putting them in a binder. So if we ever want to make this meal again, I just get the same ingredients. You know, some of these ingredients I have already at home, so, you know, why not? And then I can remake it, so it tastes just as good. So that's something I would definitely recommend, you guys. This is my 4th box of HelloFresh, and I absolutely love it. And if you guys, you know, click my referral link, you guys help me out. I also get money to go for another box so I can share you guys more deals. So I absolutely love this. And those who have clicked my link, thank you guys very much. I'm really enjoying trying new foods. So what we have for the cards in here are the Juicy Lucy burger, which is actually pretty good. Now, I'm not a big fan of arugula, but I will try it. I will try it. So there's that. We are trying pancetta white pizza with baby broccoli, ricotta, herbs de Provence or whatever. I'm not sure really what that is, but I am super excited for this pizza. And then we're also doing the pork carnita tacos. So these 3 are going to be a really good week to make food. So let's just dig in and I can show you guys what is all in the box. Now please keep in mind, we've opened these up, but they usually send you like a box that is insulated. So this stuff will be in like its own little refrigerator, and what they end up doing is they give you bags of what is all in here. So since I'm making the pork carnitas tonight, I'm going to show you guys what's all inside the box. I tried doing videos of me making the meals, but it's just too time consuming. So here we got what is this? A pepper? No, it's a pepper. Hold on. Gotta get the card for you guys. Oh yeah, it's a poblano pepper. So I mean, that's a big one, even though you probably won't even use it. They give you the tortillas. So we got those inside. We got some Monterey Jack cheese. Cilantro, which I absolutely love cheese. You want me to open that? Yeah, there you go, sweetie. Don't take it. Don't lose it, honey. And then we got fajita spice blend. And they usually give you more spices than what you truly need. Here is some sour cream. This is cute. A little can of tomato paste. This is adorable. White wine vinegar. It's like a little mini bottle of vinegar. Isn't that... That is so cute. Okay, here is a red onion. Now we did have one meal that the produce was really bad, and they ended up giving me a credit for that. So, but here, okay, so here is a tomato.
And we got onion, and we got tomato, and we got wine, and we got pepper, and what's this vegetable?
And then we also have, it looks like chicken stock.
Wow.
So we got chicken stock. And then the last item in this bag is chipotle pepper. So these are all the ingredients that you guys will put that are in the box or in your bag. And then I'll show you guys the meat. They usually have that at the bottom of the bag. So, because they have like ice packs in the bottom. So let's just put it all in so when we're making the food, we don't miss anything. So that's all pretty much what is in a meal. And then the next one we're making is the Juicy Lucy Burger, which I'm super excited for. And then we got the Pancetta White Pizza. So, and then, hold on baby, I gotta grab something out of here. So then the meats that are inside these boxes are... Here is the ground beef. Now what they end up doing is they have the meat on the bottom with some ice packs on top, and then they have the bags, so you guys have everything fresh. Here we got ground pork. So there's that, and then this is different, but this is pancetta. And this doesn't expire till the 29th of June, and it's already like the middle of May, so got some, oh, it's Italian style bacon. Okay, well look at that. Bacon. So yeah, so that one was everything in my HelloFresh box. I love to share with you guys what I get for meals, and if you guys get these meals, let me know. And if you guys definitely want to try this, for 20 bucks for meals like this that have meat, I say go for it. So I just wanted to share with you guys these meals. Can't go wrong with super awesome deals on meals, and definitely these are great cards. But yeah, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to join HelloFresh if you guys haven't already. It's a great way to try new meals. And if you I would say just try it one time and cancel it if you guys want to. Unless you can get your friends to click your referral link, then you guys can get some decent deals on meals too. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching, and also stay tuned. I will be doing an updated video with all the meals so you guys can see how they turned out and how they taste. Again, thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.